Why you should drink lemon water daily. Amazing health benefits of lemon water. Diluting lemon juice with water helps to reduce its acidic content but nonetheless offers great health benefits. Here are some of the benefits of drinking lemon water every day. As a remedy for dehydration. Drinking water is the best way to hydrate the body and reduce the risk of dehydration. However, many people don't like taking only water due to its bland nature. This can be addressed by drinking lemon water, which contains more water than lemon. Good for the skin. The high vitamin C content of lemon water offers many health benefits including a healthy skin. Wrinkles and dry skin can be treated using lemon water. Promotes weight loss. Lemon water is low in calories and contains polyphenol antioxidants which help in reducing weight gain. Natural remedy for constipation. Lemon water is used as a natural laxative by constipation sufferers. It can also be used for preventing constipation and for improving digestion. For preventing kidney stones. Kidney stones can be caused by an improper flow of fluid in the body among other reasons. Lemon water contains citric acid which helps in reducing the risk of the formation of new stones. For fresh breath. Drinking lemon water early in the morning and after eating foods like onions and garlic, which have strong odors, can help to get rid of the resulting bad breath. Side effects of drinking lemon water. Although the consumption of lemon water holds a lot of health benefits, there are a few side effects that can arise. For one, the acidic content of lemon can lead to wearing of tooth enamel. To reduce this risk, you can use a straw while drinking the water. Secondly, drinking lemon water can cause heartburn in some people instead of bringing them relief. Moreover, drinking lemon water can result in frequent urination. That said, drinking lemon water, whether hot or cold, offers many health benefits in comparison to the few side effects. How to prepare lemon water. Lemon water can be made by squeezing lemon juice into clean water. When making lemon water, it is advised that you make use of organic lemons and distilled water. Don't forget to like this video and click the subscribe button below for more research-based home remedies, natural health and motivational tips. Remember to click the bell icon to be notified when we upload new videos.